Mayor Abramson comments on the court's ruling on Louisville's smoking ban. Area residents are benefiting from free health screenings. Recognition is provided for excellence in workforce achievement. The Museum Plaza project is underway. Scotty enjoys his first Halloween. All this and more on this Metro Edition. Hi everyone, welcome to this Metro Edition. I'm Matt Schuster. Well, Louisville's smoking ban is staying in effect with the court's recent ruling. Mayor Jerry Abramson had this statement.
In her ruling, Judge Clayton did strike down the exemption for Churchill Downs, saying that it violates the state Constitution, actually the Equal Protection Clause of the Constitution. As you know, I've long supported a comprehensive smoking ban with no exceptions, and I've worked diligently with members of the council to bring that about. The ruling today is very clear, and I support the ruling today. Therefore, the Louisville Metro Health Department will enforce the smoking ban in all establishments, including Churchill Downs, as soon as the judge's order is final and the window of appeal closes.
For more information on Louisville's smoke-free law or on tips on how you can stop smoking, visit the Department of Public Health and Wellness at louisvilleky.gov. A recent ruling is allowing the Department of Public Health and Wellness, along with several area partners, to provide health screenings to several thousand residents. Here's more on how these residents are benefiting.
Chickasaw Park isn't just beautiful. For a few weeks, it was also the setting of an important activity.
Do you or a blood relative have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, any liver disease?
Inside this makeshift clinic, public health and wellness employees are hard at work.
Looking at people for high blood, cholesterol, diabetes, any type of respiratory problem. And we're also doing cervical cancer screening and urology for prostate.
Healthcare, I think, is pretty expensive.
Daniel Odongo is young and in good health. He lives in the neighborhood and decided to take advantage of the free health screenings.
With health, you never know what's going on. It's like a car. You never know what's happening until it breaks down.
This is all a result of a settlement between the Metropolitan Sewer District and the Environmental Protection Agency. As part of the deal, $1 million was set aside to conduct health screenings for as many as 30,000 residents near Rubbertown.
I've had people that have come into this facility that have never had their blood pressure taken.
The battery of tests is free to anyone in these areas.
This is what you should be able to do.
It would normally cost patients as much as $1,400.
It's a step-by-step process. I mean, if you look at going to your regular physician to go through the same steps, it'll probably take you a couple of days. We can get you through the clinic with all the tests in approximately about an hour and a half. We always want to be in a preventive measure, being the health department. So if we can identify a problem early, it's a benefit to the client.
Licensed healthcare providers conduct all of the exams, including any necessary follow-up work or referrals. A wide range of tests is recommended, but optional for each patient. And test results are always kept confidential.
We have seen approximately, on average, about 80 people per day. That's a pretty good turnout.
Much of the lab work is done on site. The screenings began in September and will run through the first week of November.
Now we need to see how much you weigh and how tall you are.
For now, just getting more people like Daniel in for testing will help to make a difference.
I think it's a good thing they're doing this. I work in a pharmacy as a tech, and I see a lot of people end up spending so much money trying to cure diseases that can be prevented. So I think I want to take advantage and just go ahead and prevent some of these diseases.
County Attorney Irv Maze published the third annual list of people delinquent in their child support payments with support from the 18th District Councilwoman Julie Rocky Adams. Here's more.
Many phone calls that have turned into successful prosecution of cases in court.
That's exactly what the Jefferson County's Attorney's Office hopes will happen when their third most recent insert runs in the Courier-Journal.
It involves 670 individuals' names who owe in excess of $10 million of back child support.
The office is getting a lot of attention for their creative ways of collecting child support, which have proven to be effective, raising more than $1.5 million since the first ad was published.
They have to print about 5,000 additional copies of the Sunday paper in anticipation of this ad. It's not easy to collect child support in cases such as this. Sometimes you have to try new ways to attack old problems.
And if that's not motivation enough to pay child support, the county's attorney's office has another initiative.
It's important that you begin paying your child support immediately.
About 30 messages a day will go out to individuals who've fallen behind on their child support payments.
So if you go 45 days and you not get a payment in and you're behind in your child support, you're going to get a call.
To contact the Child Support Division, call 574-0821.
The public has helped. They will continue to help. I think Louisville's got a tremendous reputation. They'll go out of their way to help us when it comes to matters involving kids.
Still to come on this Metro Edition, people receive recognition for excellence in workforce achievement. The community breaks ground on one of the most architecturally significant buildings being built in the world today. And Louisville Metro EMS workers bring a special treat to patients at Cosair.